Hello everyone, welcome back to the Abby Cakes YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making hot chocolate bombs.
We're going to be making spooky hot chocolate bombs.
Oh yeah.
So we are using a dark chocolate that we have turned black and then a white chocolate that is a lavender purple color. We're going to do one hot cocoa bomb that's black, one that's purple, and then one that's marbled with the two colors. So first things first.
We're going to go ahead and clean our mold.
So we're just taking a paper towel that's dampened with water and cleaning out anything that's in there. I will start with black on this one.
I'll do purple and she'll do black, and then we'll both do the marble.
Perfect. So we're gonna do 2 coats of chocolate on each side here. We'll do 1 coat and then it'll go into the freezer, chill, and then we'll do a second coat. And that's just to make sure we have a really firm shell that isn't going to break very easily when we're trying to decorate. So my plan to make these spooky, I'm thinking of melting marshmallows to create a pulled spider web over the hot cocoa bomb. Sound good?
Yeah.
So for the marble, do a little drizzle in there.
Okay.
So for this one, I'm gonna do a really thin drizzle here. Okay, so then we're just gonna take this and spread it lightly and gently so that we don't mess up too much of the black that we want to be marbled. And this one, since there's a lot of both colors, we can probably do a little swirl. And we'll just try to gently marble this with the purple that's in there. So we are going to stick this in the freezer for 5 minutes and then we'll bring it back out and do the second coat.
Now that we got 2 coats,
They've been chilled.
We're going to go ahead and pop them out. So you're gonna be very careful so it does not.
Oh, it came out nice. Hold it.
You're gonna be careful so they don't crack. This one came out really cool. And this is why you clean your mold so they get really nice and shiny.
All right, so we're gonna have to be quick here. So let's start with the purple. We're going to put them on the pan. Let's do 2 scoops and then a scoop of sprinkles. More 2. Okay, and close them up.
So that's why you have to hurry so they don't like.
And then we'll clean up the sides.
Okay, so now that we've got them chill, and now that we've melted the marshmallows, we're going to go ahead and hold it. Let's make the marshmallows. Be careful because they're going to be really, really hot.
Closer right there. Try to wrap it around. Can you do another layer? Okay, and then we will add sprinkles. Woo! Okay, maybe the marshmallows were not the best idea, but I think it's gonna be cute when they're all done. So we've got these little eyes that we can put on here.
I feel like the black one turned out like the best, even though
it was the first one. It's marshmallows, when you melt them, you have to really work like super quick with them.
Yeah.
They really do look very
spooky.
They do look like webs? Mm-hmm. Wow, that was the goal. Mm-hmm. Okay, I think they're all done.
Okay, it's not for the looks, it's for the taste.
Okay, we just need to put it in a hot cup of coffee. Or, yeah, I need coffee. Milk. Milk and coffee.
We
have our steaming milk.
We warmed up our milk for how many minutes?
Probably 2.
For about 2 minutes. So
we put our bomb into the cup.
If you want it to look like it's exploding, you put this in and then the milk over it, which I cannot get it off my hands now.
It's coming. There it goes. Mm-hmm. Wow. Look at the little marshmallows are coming up.
Depending what color you use, it'll turn your hot chocolate that color.
Yep. Okay, who's gonna try it? Oh, you got the marshmallow. That's a marshmallow web. good. It served its purpose.
Yeah.
It's good. Here, I'll take
I
one.
like it.
It's delicious. There we go. Spooky hot cocoa bombs. If you guys have tips or tricks, especially for the marshmallow web that we did not nail, let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.